Infectious disease outbreaks will happen. Disruptions from outbreaks don't have to. Humans have been impacted by infectious diseases since the beginning of time, but innovations in AI have transformed our ability to get ahead of threats. With a mix of data, AI, and human expertise, we can detect, understand, and respond to outbreaks faster and more effectively than ever before.
So in just the past 20 years, the world has experienced more disruptive international outbreaks than it has in the previous 100. And large companies have now come to understand that infectious diseases can present potentially existential risks to their business by disrupting their global operations, impacting critical supply chains, and threatening the health and well-being of their people, which means we're going to have to move faster and smarter and be better prepared than we've ever been before. But we can do this by tapping into the combined power of human and artificial intelligence.
Air Canada identified the need for infectious disease surveillance approximately 5 years ago. Given our international and our global operations serving 69 international stations on 6 continents, the importance of identifying what infectious disease are out there to protect our employees and their well-being, as well as to provide our customers with the confidence that Air Canada is doing everything it can to protect them.
Infectious diseases move fast and indiscriminately. Microbes do not respect borders, and the world is increasingly vulnerable to disruption from these diseases. From monkeypox to Zika to COVID-19, diseases can spread like wildfire over dry brush if available information is not distributed equally and rapidly.
Infectious disease intelligence is an increasingly urgent issue because the world has become so connected. Other factors like climate change, intensification of agriculture, urbanization, and encroachment of humans into wildlife ecosystems are making it increasingly likely for new diseases to emerge. When new diseases emerge, it can take just days or weeks before they might be detected in another country. For example, when Zika virus or monkeypox were discovered, it was just a matter of days and weeks before they were found to be spreading in the United States as well.
So this is a complex problem because we have to be able to detect outbreaks appearing anywhere in the world at their earliest stages. Now, artificial intelligence can help us do that by consuming and processing vast amounts of data on the internet across the world's many different languages to pick up those early signals of outbreaks that may not be officially reported or even recognized. But simply identifying a threat isn't enough. We have to be able to anticipate what is coming in the days and weeks and months, and in some cases even the years into the future. And that requires analyzing vast amounts of global data. And what also makes this challenging is that we have to be able to make decisions quickly without overreacting or underreacting.
With artificial intelligence, everyone can access objective, important, timely intelligence to understand and act against infectious diseases, no matter your scientific background. Dr. Kamran Khan founded BlueDot after Toronto's SARS outbreak caught the city by surprise. BlueDot is building a future where the world can anticipate rather than react to threats, drawing from objective, scientifically credible intelligence.
So as an infectious disease physician practicing on the front lines during the 2003 SARS outbreak, I watched a tiny virus immobilize an entire city for months. I saw some of my fellow healthcare workers get infected with SARS. I saw businesses go bankrupt. And when that outbreak finally ended, I thought, what would we have done differently if we could have anticipated that this was coming our way? So I assembled an incredible team of medical experts with deep knowledge of infectious diseases, a team of experts in artificial intelligence and forecasting to give us that foresight into the future, and experts in digital technology so that we could literally generate and spread insights around the world faster than any outbreak.
We have an AI-powered engine running 24/7 across the globe, scanning hundreds of thousands of different sources in over 65 different languages. And it's doing that to pick out the needles in the haystack. And then our team of experts, which include human clinicians, veterinarians like myself, and epidemiologists, are then piecing together the strands of information to really understand what's happening. And then on top of that, our data scientists and engineers are layering in models using data like climate change and human demographics, as well as air travel patterns, to anticipate where the next outbreak will be.
BlueDot brings together a unique combination of epidemiology expertise, data science, and cutting-edge technology so that anyone can understand and act against infectious disease. BlueDot is working with all parties to ensure everyone has the insights they need.
The deep relationship that Air Canada's formed with BlueDot during the course of our recovery and our response to the pandemic is going to allow greater resiliency and business continuity as the reports that are generated by BlueDot take highly technical infectious disease information to the non-technical reader, but provides actionable data for us at Air Canada.
Our technology helps to ensure that the tests and the treatments and the vaccines that are needed to control an outbreak are available in the places and the times where they're needed most. And our technology also helps businesses stay open and keep their operations running by keeping their employees safe wherever they might be in the world. I went into medicine because I wanted to have a positive impact on people's lives. And through the team that we've created at BlueDot and the technology that we've developed, we can now be positively impacting millions of lives around the world.
Make critical decisions with clarity and confidence. Contact BlueDot today.